Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. In this video, I am going to tell you how to create Amazon affiliate account. If you want to make money online with affiliate marketing, then Amazon is the best affiliate marketing platform where you can make money online with affiliate marketing. So friends, let's create account in Amazon affiliate program. So first of all, go to Google and type here Amazon affiliate program. So you can see here is a amazon.in. This is for India. .amazon.com. This is for USA. So I am going to create account in this program.com. Click on it. So friends, you can see this is Amazon affiliate program dashboard here. So you can see the step here. First step is sign up. Second step recommended. In second step you have to provide your details like your platform, social media and blogging platform, and third step you will see the commission rate. If you have already Amazon account, then you can click on sign in, or if you don't have account, then you have to click on sign up here. Click on sign up. Just create account here. Create your Amazon account. Provide your name, guide, and email ID will be your email ID. Then click on create account. Now you will get OTP on your Gmail account. You have to provide OTP here, 379. Now click on create your Amazon account. Now just here you have to exact name with your bank account detail. So my TechNet Guide, your address, you have to provide city name here. Usually you have to provide your contact detail here. You can select here pay list, then click on next, and here asking for original address or suggested address, so you can select anyone. Now here on this section you have to provide your website detail. Suppose if you have a website or blog or mobile app on which you can share or promote this product. So I have my website technetu.com. On this website I will promote Amazon product here. So if you have any app, mobile app, then you can select here. Now click on next here. Directly primary at under 13, then you have to select no here. Click and confirm. So here you have to provide your store ID. Suppose store ID TechNet. So this will be my store ID. Okay. So here asking for what your website or mobile app about. So my website is related to technology tips and tricks. It also cover product review etc. So now here you have to provide primary topic. What will be your primary product or your websites? Here you have to select your primary topic on website. So my website topic is computer software and technology. So second topic will be education. So here you have to select Amazon product which you will promote on your website. So select, I am going to select here digital download, electronics, computers and office tools, Kindles. So what type your website is mobile app? So here I have to select my blog is a blog. A second type is content or niche website. So here is option is traffic and monetization. So it's asking for how do you drive traffic on your website and monetize. So I'm selecting here is social networks, email marketing, blogs, SEO, lead generation. So it's asking for how I generate income with my website. So I'm selecting here Google AdSense, secondary, affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing. So how do you usually build link blog editor? So how many total unique visitors do your website and app? So in my case, my website has 500 to 5000 visitors. So what is your primary reason to join Amazon affiliate program? To monetize my site. How do you hear about us? Online search. So here I have to provide captcha here. Now select here agreement and click on finish. Unique associated ID is negative 20. You have to note down this ID here. Now you have to enter your payment and tax information. So I'm selecting later here. I will provide later tax information. This is your Amazon associate dashboard here. Here it will show. So let me show you how you will create affiliate link here. So just go to amazon.com. So you can see this. So you can see site strip on the top. So here if you select any product, like I am selecting here product. Okay, so go to tags here to find this link, to find Amazon link here. So click on this tags. So to get link, click on tags here, and you can see your store ID here. Okay, so you can see this is your affiliate link of this product. Just copy it. Just you can check here to copy and paste. It will redirect to that product. You have to use this link to share on social media, on our website, to promote this product. If someone will buy this product with your link, then you will get commission here. So let me show you how much commission you will get on product. So let me show you commission income. You can see your commission percentage here. On the luxury beauty, luxury stores, Amazon coins, you will get 10%. Digital music, physical music, handmade, you will get 5% here. Physical books, kitchen, 4%. So here is your dashboard. Once someone click on your with your link and purchase anything, buy anything, then it will show here how much click on commission. Your commission will show here. Okay, you can see your earning report. Still there is no any earning, so it's not showing here. Payment history, payment schedule, commission schedule. So friends, you have seen in this video how to create account in Amazon affiliate program and make money online. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.